To add a fisheye effect in DaVinci Resolve, start by going to the Effects panel. Look for Adjustment Clip, then drag it onto the timeline above your video clip. Adjust the duration of the adjustment clip to match the length of the video, or decide how long you want the effect to last. Once that's set, open the Effects library again and head to the Open FX section. Here, search for the Transform effect and drag it onto your adjustment clip in the timeline. Next, click on the Inspector tab and scroll down to find the Image Adjustment section. Expand it, and you'll notice options to fine-tune the look of your video. Set Edge Softness to 1 and Edge Rounding to 1 as well. This will start to give your video a warped look, which is the beginning of the fisheye effect. Now, to really push the effect, go back to the Open FX tab and search for the dent effect. Drag this onto your clip in the timeline as well. In the inspector, adjust the settings for a stronger fisheye look. For the dent type, set it to 2, change the size to 0.500 and set the strength to 0.400. These settings will give you that pronounced fisheye distortion. Once you've made these adjustments, play around with the numbers to get the exact level of fisheye that fits your style. This method is an easy way to add a fun, unique visual effect to your video, and you can always tweak it to make it just right.